Hello dear, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to describe a new build EA in my projects. So what I'm going to share is multi-grid.e. Okay. So what this EA actually doing is a very simple task, bro. So we will allow algo trading. Here in inputs you can see order direction. So what the order direction is, this is a simple martingale grid A. We can set the start lot here like 0.01 for the starting lot. We can put the gap for the orders, like if we put 100 pips for gold. Okay, so how many orders I want with this gap and this lot? I want one order. Okay, after that I will move to second group. Then what lot I want for second group? I want 0.02 lots. And after how many gap? So I am going to write here 200 pip gap. And how many trades I want with this setting? I want two trades with this setting. After that we will set 0.03, and I will write gap here 300 pips and repeat number of trades, and I want three trades with this setting. Okay, so now I will move down. Here you can see target profit in dollars. I will write 1 USD here, and daily target. After achieving this target, the EA will stop the working. And drawdown control, how much drawdown I reach, then close all trades I can write here. So I'm going to turn it on. Let's see how it reacts. So it will work on candle close. Whenever the candle close, it will place a buy and sell trade. Okay, let's see. With this setting here, the first setting is here, the second setting for this is here, the fourth setting. So every label and every trade is different from each other. I hope you understand. So here you can see we have placed one buy and one sell trade with 0.01 lot as we set here. You can see one trade after 100 pip and on candle close. Here you can see open new order on next candle opening. I hope you understand it. So whenever the candle is closed, whenever a news comes, then a big candle become. So during that volatile or momentum candle, we will avoid the too many trades. So next trade will be opened on candle close. So the distance between the trades will be more than 100 pips. Then new trade will be opened on candle close. So we are waiting for candle close, and it will open another trade. Will be according to this. I hope you can understand this multi-grid node setting E. So every gap and every settings are different from each other. We can set each trade gaps and each lot size and each number of trades and targeted profit in dollars and daily profit targets. Everything we can write here and adjust according to our. We can allow buy and sell here. We can also do it in a positive way, forward way. Means when profit trades go in profit, then increase the number of trades. We can do in reverse, when trades are in loss, then increase the number of trades according to these settings. So we are still waiting for, because it's market closing time, so market is very slow. So I'm waiting for market to move in any side so we can discuss. The video is getting larger, so I will just cut some part of the video from here. Here you can see we have closed a trade in 10 pips 1 USD. You can see here our sell trade is closed and we are waiting to close the candle. Whenever the candle is closed and we are opposite more than 100 pip from last open trade, then we will going to open another trade. Here you can see we have opened a sell trade, not a buy trade. Why? Because buy was not away from that. So it is very good if you want to set a complete martingale system and a layer grid system, so you can set it as your customized grid system, and node settings are everything are, you can see here, are editable. If you want to further edit this, or if you want further modification in this EA and you want this EA, then you can contact us to get this EA. So I'm waiting for this. If it goes down, market is going to close, so it is giving no moves. Oh no, it again go to our range. uh, Shit. So I'm waiting for a clear example to show you. Let me wait for this candle. So here you can see our buy trade goes in our targeted profit, so it closed. So now we are waiting for the sell, because the volume of this candle, the distance of this candle from open to close will be more than 100 pips. It will be 10 pips of gold. So it's almost 400 plus pips. Here you can see we have opened another sell with 0.02 lot and a buy. So here you can see the sell, both trades are closed in profit and only a buy trade is here. So I hope you understand the complete strategy of this EA. If you want further modification in this EA, and if you want this EA, then you can contact me. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe the channel for further updates and further EAs and strategies and many more. I will going to offer many things here.